Myself, Narayana Reddy. I am from Math YouTube channel. Today in this class, I am explaining about problems regarding ratios and proportion. See the problem. Divide Rs 960 rupees in the ratio 8:4. So now we have to divide this amount, that is 960 rupees, in the ratio 8:4. See here. Sum of the ratios. That means 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Okay. Now this is the sum of the ratios. Now to find division in the ratio is 8:4. This person gets 8 rupees and this person gets 4 rupees. Okay, that is the ratio. That is fraction. Okay. First part equals to, first part is 8 divided by total ratio 12 into total amount 960. In this way you can do share of each or ratio of each one. Okay. Now 12 1 ja 12 8 ja 0, 8 8 ja 64. This is first part. So this is what is the ratio have 8%, that is the 8 that get 640 rupees. Okay. Next one is second part is nothing but 4 divided by 12 into total amount 960. Okay. 12 8 ja 4 8 ja 32, 320 rupees. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 640 rupees and 320 rupees. So by again you want to check up this one by combining, by adding these two amounts, 640 and 320 is again 960. So in this way you can divide the amount what I have given in the ratio, that is 8:4. That means you have to do here, important point is sum of the ratios you have to take whatever it may be, 8 plus 4 or something, some others. After that you can do individual ratio by divided by total ratio, sum of the ratio into total amount. Okay. So here formula is equals to individual ratio divided by sum of the ratios into total amount. That is the formula. Okay, dear friends. So remember this formula for doing ratio problems, dividing or distribution among the ratios depends on the ratios. Okay, dear friends. Individual ratio, that means 8:4, 8 or 4. Sum of the ratios, that will be 8 plus 4, and total amount is this one, whatever given, and 960 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, whatever it may be. Okay. So in this way you can do the problem. Individual ratios are 640 and 320. That is the answer. Okay. Next problem. A purse contains 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise coins in the ratio 3:6:11, amounting to 350 rupees. Find the number of coins on each type. So you have to find the number of coins individually. That means 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise. Okay. Simple. Let the number of coins number of coins 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise be 3x, 6x and 11x respectively. Okay, so you are considering number of coins 3x 6x and 11x. Okay. Now this amounts to 350 rupees. Okay. So 1 rupee is nothing but 1 rupee. Okay, leave it. Total amount equals to 350 rupees. Okay. Now by combining these three combination of these three types of coins, you can get totally 350 rupees. How many coins are there individually? 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise. Okay. Now this 350 distributed among these three coins. Okay. Now for 1 rupee is 1 rupee. Okay. 50 paise. For 1 rupee we want 2 coins, 50 paise coins. Okay. For 1 rupee we want 25 coins is 4. Yes or not? So then 1 rupee means what is the ratio? 3x divided by 1. For 1 rupee coin is 1 rupee. Okay. Plus 6x divided by, how many coins want for 1 rupee? 50 paise coins? 2 coins. Yes or not? 250 paise 1 rupee. Again 11x divided by, how many coins want for 1 rupee? 25 paise coins? 4 coins. 4 equals to how much? 350 rupees. So this is the most important point in this problem. So whenever you can get this idea, this plan, you can get answer easily. Okay. What is LCM now? LCM is nothing but 4. Okay. 4 means what? 4 1 ja 12 x plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12x. 4 4 cancel, 1 into 11, 11x equals to 350. That implies 12 plus 11 is nothing but 35x. 350 into 4, 1400. This implies x equals to 35, x equals to 1400. That implies x equals to 1400 divided by 35, because this comes to denominator. Okay, I can divide this 4 ja 40. Therefore x equals to 40. 34 ja 140, 0 remains. Okay, that is 40. Now individual, you got x now. So therefore number of 1 rupee coins equals to 3x equals to 3 into 40 is nothing but 120 coins. Number of 50 paise coins equals to 6 into 6x, 6 into 40. That means 240 coins. Again, number of 25 paise coins equals to 11x, 11 into 40, 440. Okay. So 120 rupees, 120 coins are 1 rupee, 240 coins are 50 paise, and 440 coins are 25 paise. If you want to check up this one, answer is correct or not, at that time total amount equals to 120 rupees this one plus 120 into 1 rupee plus 240 into 0.50 plus 25 paise, 440 into 0.25, 25 paise. Okay. Now 120 plus, what do you get? 120, 2 zeros, after 2.2 decimal, this is 120 plus, this one is 44 and 25, how much? 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 28, 28 to 30, 4 2 ja 10, 4 to 8 plus 3 11, 110 0. Okay, 110 0 0. Okay, 1100, this one 0. After 2 points, 2 decimals, we have to keep point. Now we get 120 rupees plus 120 rupees plus 110 rupees. Total we got 350 rupees. Yes or not? So in this way you can check up this answer. But we don't want this. We want only this one. How many coins are there? For 1 rupee, 50 paise and 20 rupee. But this is only for our consideration. For our result is correct or not. But check up this one. Okay, dear friends. In this way you can find individual coins. How many are there in purse? That is 1 rupee and 50 paise and 25 paise. Okay. So this is the answer. Here important point is to equate the total amount equals to 1 rupee coins, 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins. How many coins you want for 1 rupee, 50 paise coins? 2. And 25 coins? 4. 4 25 paise coins equals to 1 rupee. And for 2 50 paise coins equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee coins 1 itself. Okay? This way you can do the problem. Okay? See the problem. A pocket contains milk and water. So, in a pocket, the water and milk is there. In the ratio of 5:7. If 6 liters of water added into the pocket, additionally 6 liters of water is added, the ratio becomes 5:9. So, the ratio increased. But milk is same, but ratio of water is increasing. Find the quantity of water in the pocket. So, you are adding the water. Only water, not milk. So, whenever you can add the water, the ratio of water increases by 2%, 2, 7, 2. So, milk is same. So, but what is the quantity water added into the pocket? That you have to find. Simple. Let the quantity of milk and water in the pocket be 5x and 7x respectively. Okay? Now we are considering 5x and 7x in the pocket. Now, how much quantity of water is added? 6 liters of water is added. Then, ratio becomes 7x plus 6. This is important. Whenever we got this plan, this idea, we can get the answer simply. So, ratio is nothing but a fraction. Yes or not? But you are adding 6 liters of water for the quantity of 7x. So, in the ratio becomes, by the problem, ratio becomes how much? 5:9. Therefore, 5x divided by 7x plus 6 equals to how much? 5/9. Over. Problem is over. Simple. This implies 5 into cross multiplication, 45x equals to 5 into this one, 35 plus 5 6 is 30. 35x plus 30. Yes or not? 5 7 is 35, 5 6 is 30. That implies 45 minus 35 is nothing but 10x equals to 30. This implies x equal to 3. Yes or not? 45 minus 35, 10 equals to x is equal to 3. Therefore, the quantity of water in the pocket equals to 7x. That is equals to 7 into 3. That means 21 liters. Okay. So that is the answer. So how much quantity is there in the pocket water? 21 liters. Okay. In this you can find the quantity of water in the pocket. Okay, dear friends. You won't repeat so many problems regarding ratio and proportion. Do the practice. Do the practice. Practice makes perfect. Whenever you can do practice, mathematics gets easily. Mathematics is nothing but formulas. Methodology is algorithm. But compared to other subjects, mathematics is a very easy subject. Whenever you can understand the formulas, is a method, is algorithm. Flow of problem. Flow of problem nothing but you can start the problem from first step to last step. First start, process, output. So problem will contain 3 steps. First is what are the inputs are there, what I have given in the problem. Okay. What is the process? Process means you have to know formula. Which formula you are using this problem, that is processing. Of that result, output means what you get the result. So result is correct or not, we have to check out this answer. Okay, dear friends. So problem containing 3 methodologies: input, process, and output. So input means had a given, and process means is nothing but a difference upon formula, and output means result. Okay, dear friends. Mathematics is nothing but is a practice. Whenever you can do practice, mathematics gets easily. Don't worry about mathematics problems or some other things. Don't worry. Some persons are said that mathematics is a very tough subject. It is not tough subject. It is a very easy subject. Whenever you want to know about formulas, just you can write simply on paper 10 times, 20 times, and 30 times. You can get easily. Just practice. Don't worry about that. Okay, dear friends. Thanks for watching Matthew YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Matthew and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.